Now we will see another example using sequence in PL/SQL. So first we will execute the line. We will truncate the table first. So if we execute this one, our truncate operation completed. Now we will create a new sequence. And if I execute this one, here we can see missing by keyword. Name already exists. So we don't need to create this sequence again. Now you will insert some values by using the sequence in PL/SQL block. Let's see. So this is the variable declaration, and it will contain the value 5000 inside the begin and end block. We use for loop here. The value of end value is b total count. Inside the loop statement, we use insert statement test DML for test DML ins DML table. So our value of from this to this table, the ID value will be inserted by using the sequence, and this is the data. This is commit statement. So if I execute this one, anonymous block completed. So if I check the data from this table, here we can see the inserted data that we have inserted by using the PL/SQL block, and our ID value is inserted by using the sequence. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.